This meditation is designed to align your subconscious with the reality where the person you love will think only of you, desire you, be completely captivated by you, be devoted to you, and beg to be in your life. These affirmations will program your mind with irresistible energy and magnetic presence, making you their ultimate desire. Reprogram your subconscious to feel confident, irresistible, and deeply cherished. Align your energy with devotion, love, and unwavering attention from them. This meditation will help you embody the reality where they are willing to do whatever it takes to be with you. Listen to this daily, morning, evening, or while you sleep to align your energy with devotion and love. While listening, visualize their actions and picture them expressing their feelings and showing their devotion, and feel the love. Embrace the joy and be confident in knowing you are their ultimate desire. Now let's begin. They are begging to be with me. They are completely captivated by me. They are overwhelmed by their feelings for me. They are unable to imagine their life without me. I am all they think about. I am all they dream of. I am all they want. My energy is magnetic. My presence is irresistible. My love is unmatched. They are doing everything in their power to show me how much they need me in their life. Every word, every action, and every look from them says, please choose me. They know I am the one. They know I am the person who completes them. They are willing to do whatever it takes to prove their love for me. I am their deepest desire. I am their greatest dream. I am their ultimate goal. They are begging for my love. They are showing me just how much they are willing to fight for us. They are consumed by the thought of me. No one else compares and nothing else matters. I am their priority. I am their focus. I am their entire world. They are begging to be with me. They know my worth. They know my value. We share an unmatched connection. Their devotion is clear. Their love is undeniable. Their actions speak louder than words. They are begging to be with me. I am unforgettable. I am irreplaceable. I am the best thing that's ever happened to them. Love always finds its way to me. I now release all resistance towards attracting them. Love has always been easy for me. I always attract healthy relationships effortlessly. I vibrate on the frequency of love. Love surrounds me everywhere I go. They are so attracted to me. I am so lucky in love. I have always been lucky in love. I will always be lucky in love. I am now attracting my dream relationship. They shower me with love daily. Anything that has been blocking me from attracting them now gets released. I now attract them to me effortlessly. The universe always conspires in my favor. Love is easy for me. People can't believe how lucky we are to have found each other. People can't believe how lucky we are to have found each other. People say we are made for each other. We radiate love. They now come easily to me. Time and space are now collapsing to bring them to me instantly. I am so happy and grateful to be with them now. They treat me like the best thing that has ever happened to them. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, they shower me with love daily to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. I have helped thousands of people manifest the love of their life quickly and easily, and I can help you too. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.